know the cross, everybody knows about it. So very overwhelmed and very happy about the whole thing. And so much respect and love we've got from the audience and everyone. The tweets, the love, it's unbelievable. So happy and overwhelmed right now. It's done. South has also done equally good. So gross is also like 20. So it's really done well. My next movie, Bajate Ro, is coming this Friday. So it's a different concept. It's a very simple and sweet movie. It's a it's a very sweet and I hope the audience have loved the music. They have loved the trailer. And they have enjoyed it too, but expecting a good response too, but just crossing my fingers because you can't compare Ranjana and Bajate Ro. It's a different concept. That's a beautiful love story. This is a nice and a sweet story. Ranjana is such a beautiful movie, as you know and we all know. To make Ranjana Part 2 we've never thought of it right now because the script has to be as beautiful as Ranjana Part 1, as we all say. So Part 2 will be decided if the script is as beautiful and as equal or even more better than Ranjana's script Part 1. So that will take a lot of time to think. Ranjana dialogue, it gives me goosebumps because each scene and each dialogue has so much depth in each scene. So I cannot tell you which I love my movie. I'm very biased to my movie. So I love each like all the dialogues and like each frame of it. We have invited a lot of people and who all on the guest list. You will see who all are coming from the guest list. But we've enjoyed, we've called all the near and dear ones from the film fraternity and from the cast and crew. Thank you. Thank you.
मैं क्या बोलूँ, इस टाइम बहुत एक्साइटेड हूँ. आई एम वेरी हैप्पी एंड दिस इज़ द डे आई वाज वेटिंग फॉर. थैंक यू वेरी मच. थैंक यू ऑल ऑफ यू. नहीं, मुझे नहीं लग रहा. मैं रांझना मेरे में पूरी हो गई. मुझे नहीं लग रहा उसका सीक्वल मेरे पास है. मैंने पूरी रांझना ख़त्म कर दी. तन्वर्ड्स मानो सीक्वल की कहानी बिल्कुल है, हमेशा से थी और प्लानिंग है. इट्स इन द सिस्टम. लेट्स सी हाउ इट शेप्स अप. आई डोंट नो वेदर दिस ईयर. इट्स टू अर्ली फॉर मी टू थिंक अबाउट गोइंग ऑन फ्लोर. बट या ज़्यादा देर तक खाली नहीं बैठ पाऊँगा. कुछ वक्त में सोचना शुरू करूँ. इफ इट इज़ हैपनिंग, इट्स हैपनिंग विद द सेम कास्ट.